We have a special video for you today. It's the Great Tesla Summon Race brought to you by Tesla Tunity. Today's race will feature the Model S 75 against the Model 3 Long Range. The track has been measured to a precise 24 feet and the cars are expected to reach blistering speeds of 1 mile per hour or 1.47 feet per second. Don't blink or you might miss it. Let's meet the racers. First, we have the Model S 75 weighing in at 4,469 pounds and getting to 60 miles per hour in 5 seconds flat. Next, we have the Model 3 Long Range weighing in at 3,814 pounds and getting to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds. This could be anyone's race. Clearly, reaction time and reliability will be a factor. Will the Model S use its summon experience to pull out the victory, or will the Model 3 leverage its lighter weight to take home the win? Let's send it down to the track to find out.
Gentlemen, bring your cars to the start line. Model S, are you ready? Model 3, are you ready? On your mark, get set, go!
The Model S is out to the early lead. The Model 3 is mounting a strong comeback effort, making up a lot of ground in a hurry. It's going to be a photo finish, and the Model S takes the win by a nose. What a race. Let's take a look at that finish from another angle. You can see the Model S shadow crossing the finish line just a moment before the Model 3. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like it. If you're buying a Model S or Model X, you can use my referral link to get free supercharging. Please see below in the description.